Good morning. How is everybody doing? We have high quality back on action. We've got the Civic back. Can't lie, Cuss has done an amazing job. Just look at it. Woo. Can I zoom out? Oh, that's all we got. I need to stand back a bit so we can see. Oh, hello. Now there's a chair in the way. Sound. So that's it. We've got the Civic back with a D16, you know, turbo. Look at the work. Look at it. Just look at it. He has done a tremendous job. Now what he's done with this is he's cut it, polished it, sealed it, put some protection on it, and then the black trim, like here, all of this trim, mirrors, this, all of this top trim here. He's put like a special ceramic GK Technique protection. Supposedly it lasts 2 years, but it's a Honda, we'll see. Well, oh my God. So good to have it back. So good. I took it out on Saturday? No, Sunday. When I met up with Shezzy, Ebo and Tucker. Everybody come out, went for a little drive. No damage to report of. No stone chips. Woo! Absolutely fire. It was good fun. But yeah, I am so concentrated, so happy it's back. The plan now is to concentrate on this puppy. I do need to fix the issue with the sump because it's backing up, if you remember. So I've ordered a brand spanking new sump, which we will be doing at some point very soon for the oil return on the turbo. I'm still a bit half asleep, it is a bit early, but today we're going to get the S15 and its panels ready for paint. Oh, exciting. I need to try and save the sticker. I want to try and keep this. Keep this. Because I was talking to Flip from Fusebox and he says they've got none left. Big sad. Concentrate. Today's a bit of a sad day. We've had to take all the stickers off the panels. So there's no more stickers on anything. Hello. And it is quite sad. But there is better things to come, which is the main thing, because we don't want to mess around with no old ass paint, do we? Hopefully not. But here is the engine bay. Now if you've seen this in GoPro footage, now you can see it in this quality. Hope it doesn't pick up all my imperfections, but you know, it is what it is. We painted it this lovely flip paint, but because it's now stuffed with an engine, you can't even tell. Well, maybe you can. But yeah, I'm just going through, just putting some silicone on where my neons go. Don't worry about the masking tape, that's to hold them in place. We have now got to start on the inside because it's a right mess in here. I want to put a stereo back in, and I want to go to that single gauge thing that I've got on the Civic because that's brilliant as well. I have cleaned all the inner arches today. Got a wire wheel and just wire wheeled absolutely everything, and then just put some more sealer on. Make sure we ain't too rusty. We've got some wood. We've got a door. They asked me why. Someone said, do I want it? So I said, yes, why not? But now we have to get ready to put the car on the road. So I need to put the wheels on, put the seat in, put the centre console in, start doing the wiring. All of this needs to go to paint. We need some tyres for those puppies. full speed ahead, boys. Full speed ahead. Doesn't that look better? So I decided we need the rear quarters on. Give the bumper a bit of a clean. Just working on a bit of fitment there. Oh, don't look at them. I've been messing around trying to get the S15 buttoned up. I decided to go back to the D-Max. So these are, I think, D-Max plus 25s, maybe 30s. I've chucked the 18-inch Fenkeys on the front. Obviously terrible fitment at the moment, but you know, talking of terrible fitment, look at this. So I decided, I'm like, why is it doing that? It's good on the intercooler, but then I realised it's the pipes. So my plan now is to send it up, mark on the bumper, and give it a trim. Because we can't have it looking like that, can we? No, we can't. Easier. I love this car. This will be soon fixed, this little dent here. Don't know what that was. Some Mercedes. Not that. Oh. You know what that means though, yeah? We're going to take the car outside it. So this is the first time this ar has been run under its own power since the engine's back in. I'm a bit terrified, but I've got a bit of faith. I've trimmed the bumper. Got much better fitting now. It is what it is. It's only on there for when we go MOTs. You know what I mean? Let's not be all serious like it's going to stay on there. Let's put some power on, shall we? Oh, we need to put the front plate on as well. Forgot about that. Woo. Oh, where's he gone? You best put the steering wheel on, eh? We've got the grip royal. It's only for now while it's away. Bernardi's in the Sora. Oh, what's this gonna be like to drive? There's not even a seat in it. Can't even see. I'm going to have to do this with the camera off because I can't even reach. Yep. Oh, you're never going to believe it. It's only just gone and started raining. Oh, sand. How is it doing it to me? Bit of rain. Let's pull it back in. We've got no bonnet on it. Oil temp. I can't lie. I well overbuilt this for such a basic design. But at least it was easy to check out. Look at all the wiring. Here's gauges, all the power. Look at that fuse, even in the airbag, hidden. I've got to stop overbuilding stuff. I just love wiring being tidy. It's my biggest thing. I best see who that is as well. Alright, if it was you. Have a road car with no head unit, can you? Got to put some baseline in as well, eh? This is where I'm at. This is what I had in, with all the switches and all that. That was my boat fuse box, which was hidden in there underneath the cover. But now we need a head unit. That's definitely not right. Hello. Put in the comments if you know whose signature that is. I bet you don't. We have some sort of normality now. All I've got to do now is order a stereo and a little blanking plate to go here. and we should be sound. Put my speaker back in, door card back in. Nice blue spec. I don't know what that is, but it is what it is. Put the floor mats back in. I need to probably tidy up a bit. But yeah, that was a big farce, but we got it done, David. I need to go home and have some tea probably. Still got loads of wiring to do. Need these 3 gauges, well, these 3 pods. They're like this, but I need them 3. Or what could I put in there? I don't know. That is way better than it was. Look at all of the stuff we got rid of. I am going to put the ETC card reader back in. So you've got to get used to that focus again. Didn't have this problem with the GoPro, did we? Oh, look at it. It's very, very nice. But yeah, that's probably going to be it. I'm in the middle of just gluing my trim back together because it broke a bit. So I can put that back in on my shifter. Yeah, starting to flake now. I think the kit's being collected tomorrow, or I'm going to meet up with Kieran and then we're going to get it dropped off, ready for paint. I spoke to the woman down the road who does the upholstery. She says she's going to price up to repair this and this and them 2 while we're there, because they will look beautiful in the EG. Oh, feels like we've got nothing done, but we have been non-stop. Lots of time-consuming shit. We got a door. If you didn't know, now you know. But that's it. I'm going to put 1 car on the ramp, 1 car underneath, get one in, and I'll get my ass home. Catch you later. See you tomorrow.